Hi YouTube, it's James Riley here. You are now live with D1 Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPad 5th generation. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and let's get right to it.
I'm gonna love you.
I want to make sure. Oh, I just dropped it. So let's cut it right. Guys, where should I cut it? Whatever, let's just get this thing open here. Oh man. Oh, nothing's better than that plastic film. Alright, so let's actually get to the unboxing. Whoa. Put that right there. Let's flip this around. And here we are with the iPad 5th generation, the gold version, by the way. Alright, clear, smooth, gold. Alright, let's put this over here and just see what else comes in the box. Alright, your classic iPad, manual. You got your charger here, and your charging lightning cable. Awesome, awesome. Guys, you know what? I'm being destructive, but I don't think there's anything underneath. So, yeah, that looks to be about it there. So, I thought it came with stickers, but you know what? I don't know. So, that's that for that. Let's get right to the actual iPad. Wait. I want you guys to hear this. Let's see if you guys can hear this. Okay, didn't sound as pleasing as I thought it was, but hey, who cares? Anyway, let's turn it on. So just so you guys can see it. So guys, that is pretty much it. Look at the gold on this beautiful thing, okay? The thing is awesome. Now the screen does reflect, as you can see the lights, but this thing feels great in the hands. All right, guys, that is my unboxing of the iPad 5th generation. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I have more on the way, and you're just live with D1 Tech. Peace.